Hello guys, good morning. This is me Nikita speaking for you, and today I wanna tell you about a very fantastic topic. But before telling my topic, I wanna say a quotation that problem is part of life and solution is art of life. With this beautiful quotation, I wanna tell you about the problem. I mean, when the problem comes in our life, then we no need to be sad. We only try to solve the problem. A person who is poor and the problem is coming in his life, then if he is not solving the problem, so he will be sad. His richness will not support him in the problem, but a person who is poor and in problem he is solving the problem, so he will be more happy than the rich person. So I want to tell you that guys, problem comes in everyone's life. As I told in quotation that problem is part of life, so guys, it's the right thing. Problem comes in everyone's life, but if we are solving the problem, it's not the main problem. But if you are not solving the problem, so that's the main problem, but the problem is not main problem. So guys, I want to tell you that when the problem comes, only try to solve the problem. Don't be sad because of the problem, because of your last problem today you are sad, and because of your today's sadness tomorrow you will be also sad, and your life will be spent like this type. But when the problem comes, if you are not thinking that how may I solve the problem, so only think this, that our life is very big and we can solve the problem by asking to our parents that this type of the problem, how may I solve it. So guys, I want to tell you all that only try to solve the problem. Don't be sad because of the problem. And for more information, I want to pay a story that once upon a time there was a student who used to be very sad. I mean, he used to very sad in his class. Then one day the teacher asked that you don't tell any answer and any question, so what's the problem? Then he said that in my past I did something wrong, and because of that today I am sad, and that's why I live sad always. Then the teacher got to home, and next day when the teacher came, he brought the things for making sikanji. Then after when the all students has gone to home, then the teacher make sikanji, and then he gave to the student. Then the student said that just there is, when the teacher said that is it right, then the student said that there is very much salt in it. So the teacher said, give me, I will throw it out. Then the student said that no, don't throw it out. If we will mix some sugar in it, then it will be nice. When I mean, all does like this type, when the salt be more. So the teacher said that do the same thing in your life. The problem, don't be sad because of the problem. Only try to solve the problem. That in what may, only think this, that in what way may I solve the problem. And after then the student be happy, and always he used to be happy, and because of that he got success. So guys, I want to tell you that if you will be sad because of the problem, so you won't be able to get success. But if you are happy, if you are solving the problem, then you can be success in your life. Finally, I want to say you that only solve the